What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change a currency of your TapTap Send account. So let's get started. Now under the currency I'm referring to this currency right here, the sender's currency, which for me is euros. So also before we get started, if you guys are just using TapTap Send for the first time, here you would be able to see a redeem a promo code section, which if you use my promo code, which you can find in the description below, you will get $15 or euros on your next transfer when using TapTap Send. But for now, let's go ahead and continue. So to change your sender's currency, you would first need to change your address. So you can do this by going to your account right here, and from here go to the account, the first option. Now under the account settings, under the personal information tab, you have the option to change your address. So to change your address, just go ahead and tap this edit button right here, and here you can search for your address. So you can just input your new address. If you're traveling, you can input it here, and then the sender's currency will be automatically changed to the currency of the country from that address. So that's guys how you can change the sender's currency on TapTap Send. Now, if you would like to change this currency of the recipient, you just need to change the recipient country. And that's about it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.